Today, we delve into the advanced world of AI prompting, exploring how multi-persona and chained AI prompts are revolutionizing problem solving. These innovative techniques are transforming how we interact with artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in complex computational tasks. These sophisticated techniques allow us to leverage the power of artificial intelligence in ways previously unimaginable, tackling challenges that a single AI model might struggle with. By orchestrating multiple AI perspectives, we can address intricate problems more effectively and comprehensively. The core idea behind multi-persona prompting is to simulate diverse perspectives within an AI system, much like a team of experts collaborating on a project. This involves assigning distinct roles or personas to the AI, each contributing its unique expertise to the overall task. This approach allows the AI to consider a problem from multiple angles, leading to more comprehensive and robust solutions. It's about moving beyond a singular viewpoint to embrace a holistic understanding, ensuring all facets of a problem are thoroughly examined. Imagine playing chess against yourself, where each side employs a distinct strategy. This analogy perfectly captures the essence of dual persona prompting. One persona might focus on aggressive offense, while the other prioritizes defensive maneuvers, leading to a more balanced and strategic outcome. It's about having two experts, or personas, debate an issue internally, generating a richer, more nuanced response than a single viewpoint could achieve. This internal dialogue allows for a deeper exploration of ideas, uncovering insights that might otherwise be missed. This internal debate helps to refine ideas, identify potential flaws, and ultimately arrive at a more optimal outcome. By critically evaluating different perspectives, the AI can self-correct and improve its proposed solutions, much like a human team brainstorming and refining concepts. Beyond dual persona, we have prompt chaining, a powerful technique that structures AI interactions into a sequential pipeline. This method involves breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps, with each step handled by a specialized AI prompt. In this method, the output of one AI prompt or persona becomes the input for the next, creating a seamless flow of information and processing. This sequential execution ensures that each stage builds upon the previous one, leading to a coherent and progressive solution. This is particularly effective for multi-stage projects where tasks need to be broken down and handled sequentially by specialized AI functions. For instance, in content creation, one AI might generate an outline, another drafts the content, and a third refines the language. Consider a scenario where an AI first brainstorms ideas, then another AI refines those ideas, and a third AI generates a final report. This structured approach mirrors a well-organized project team, where each member contributes their specific skill set at the appropriate stage. This structured approach ensures that each step benefits from focused AI expertise, leading to highly efficient and accurate results. The specialization at each stage minimizes errors and maximizes the quality of the output, making the entire process more reliable. The combination of multi-persona and chained prompts allows for the creation of sophisticated AI workflows that mimic human team collaboration. This synergy enables AI systems to tackle problems of unprecedented complexity, mirroring the collaborative intelligence of human experts. This method is repeatable and scalable, making it ideal for automating complex tasks and achieving consistent, high-quality outputs. Once a successful chain is established, it can be replicated for similar problems, ensuring efficiency and reliability across various applications. The original video clip further illustrates these concepts, emphasizing the practical application of these advanced prompting strategies. It provides a real-world example of how these techniques can be implemented to achieve superior results in AI-driven problem solving. By structuring AI interactions in this manner, developers and prompt engineers can unlock new levels of capability and problem-solving prowess. This strategic approach empowers AI to move beyond simple task execution to more complex, analytical, and creative endeavors. This is not just about making AI smarter, but about making it more strategic and adaptable to diverse challenges. It's about building AI systems that can dynamically adjust their approach based on the specific demands of a problem, much like a seasoned strategist. The future of AI development lies in these innovative approaches, enabling us to build more powerful and versatile intelligent systems. These methodologies are paving the way for AI that can handle increasingly complex and nuanced tasks, transforming industries and daily life. Embracing multi-persona and chained prompts is crucial for anyone looking to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. For AI developers and prompt engineers, mastering these techniques is essential for creating the next generation of intelligent applications. These techniques offer a robust framework for developing AI solutions that are not only intelligent, but also deeply insightful and effective. They provide a structured yet flexible approach to AI design, ensuring that solutions are both powerful and precisely tailored to specific needs. Thank you for joining us in exploring the profound impact of multi persona and chained AI prompts on the landscape of artificial intelligence. We hope this discussion has illuminated the potential of these advanced techniques to revolutionize problem solving and innovation in the AI domain.